Hey, Heather from hookedonpickin.com. I am going to give you a warehouse update. I know it's been a while, but I want to show you inside. All right, so the warehouse is done. It's been done for about a week and a half. We moved everything in about a week ago, and I wanted to show you what the final product is. As you can see, the front is really cute, but let's go on inside because that's where I'm going to do all my work, and that's really what you guys are interested in. So I'm really excited about having the garage door where I can basically bring in pallets and not have any issue getting them inside. Got exterior lights. I have a note for my delivery drivers. They're used to picking up over at my house next door, and so I put a note on both of my doors at the house next door, and then I have a note here, yes, this is the right place to drop packages. So it's nice. None of my packages come into my house anymore, which is nice. So come on in. It's still a little bit of a mess, but because like I said, we just moved in about a week ago, and so I've got some stuff to sort, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a total glimpse of what it looks like. So if we start over here, this pile down here that I've got, we've been going through some things that just were crowded into. I was using a space that was about 250 square feet. This is about triple that size. So if you can imagine, all the stuff was crammed into about 250 square feet. I felt like I was a hoarder. I was climbing over everything. It was ridiculous. So now I have space. So this was some stuff that we found digging through some of the returns we got from Amazon that I have just decided, you know what, I'm going to keep some of these things, give these, you know, like my daughters love crafting, and so they'll enjoy doing this. So some of these items are just going to be keepers for myself. I've got some fun, you know, paper and stuff like that that was not sellable or just not worth it to sell. So I'm going to keep all of that stuff. And then over here, I kind of set up a temporary eBay station. I'm going to have my picture station in another corner, but for right now, this is where I've been taking some of my eBay pictures. Got a nice white black backdrop, and the lighting is awesome in here. So we have shop lighting, nice LEDs, and that was a big #1 thing that I really wanted. And so right now, this is just a pile of stuff that is going to either sell better on eBay, or fees are better on eBay, or I'm gated in that category on Amazon, so therefore eBay is the only place that I can sell it. So this is kind of the pile of stuff that I'm going to start working my way through as far as listing on eBay. Along the back wall, as you can see, I've got a lot of my extra boxes and totes up here that I keep. I will eventually organize that a little bit better, but one thing that's really cool about this is I've got all of my Poshmark clothing here in these all closed and labeled. So when I have, I don't know, about 300 to 500 items, I don't know, a bunch on Poshmark. There's a ton. So, but I have them color coded. So I've got dividers in here, like this one says red. So everything in here is primarily a red color. And it keeps it organized so that when I go to ship the item, it's super fast to find, and it doesn't take me any time at all. Well, the way I had it before, it was all like all ladies' tops were in one box, and it just took me forever to find stuff. So keep on going around. If you guys have not watched my storage unit that I got, it was an adventure, and I've got lots of fun videos about that, but check it out if you haven't seen it. I'll tag it at the end of this video so you can see it. But these in the totes are all the things that I still need to list and post from the storage unit, and so that's all going to get posted. So that's definitely some work I've got to do today. And then everything that you see basically starting from here on over is all posted on either my website, eBay, or Amazon Merchant Fulfill. Like I've got these cool craft boxes of craft things you can make. I've got, you know, different sizes of Minnie Mouses, good old Hummel picture. So various different things that I've got listed on different platforms. Fun animal pens. So check out my Hooked on Pickin website or my eBay store. I'll have all the links down in the description below so you can check out all those things. This will also be the table that I stand out to do a lot of my unboxings. I'm getting ready to video a clothing unboxing here in a little bit. So just check out my videos in the next couple of days. I'll have one coming out, an unboxing, and then the results of how much money I can make. But all of these things are for sale. I've got my reseller program here as well. Some of the toys. I got a cool mannequin for my Poshmark store so that I can take some pictures. And then those stuffed animals are some things that I've got listed on my website. So they're really, really huge. They're like this big, and I've got 3 different kinds at a very reasonable price. There's a dog, a bear, and a reindeer, I believe. So those are really, really fun and all brand new, brand new. This area here are some of the stuff that I got from my wholesalers. So like I just got this box. This is a cute little purse I got from one of my wholesalers. It's actually a concealed carry purse because it's got the 2 pockets here for a weapon. And I've got various different colors, brown and tan and black and kind of a marble looking, some white ones. So I've got a box full of those. So I will have those listed by the time this video goes out. And then I've got some sunglasses. I've got some really cute wooden crosses. These are on my Poshmark store and on my Hooked on Pickin page. So I've got some of those things. You'll find most of them on my Poshmark and some on my eBay store. So I've got those listed. It's got some extra boxes here. So eventually I'm going to get another table here and it'll extend out. So I've got a lot of my packaging material here. Obviously, it's still a bit of a mess because, like I said, we just moved in a week ago. But we've been efficient already. So, and then I've got, this is kind of my area of things I need to list from Amazon. Going through some of these things, there were areas that I was gated in, and now that I've had a long-term success on Amazon, I'm able to get things ungated. I know how to do that now, whether it's submitting an invoice from a liquidation company or a regular wholesaler. I can get ungated in other areas. So this is stuff that I couldn't sell before that now I'm going to be able to post. I've got my scales here as well. And then this is the moneymaker right here. So I've got my dual monitor computers, which I'm super excited about. And so they've been really, really working well for me, and it's a lot faster to list this way. I've got my Dymo printer, my regular printer, and my color printer all set up there. My labels, my half sheet labels, my full sheet labels, all efficiently set up, as well as my handy dandy barcode scanner. So I've got everything that I need here for fast and efficient listing. And so we have actually already put out 2 orders this week. Like I said, we moved in a week ago, but I've put out 2 orders that have over 80 items a piece. So I've done about 160 items out of this space already, and it's way more efficient to do. And so I wanted to give you guys a warehouse update. As you can see, the more organized I get, the quicker things are going to go and the more money I've got to make. So I've got some money sitting here that I'm going to get listed so that it's at the warehouse or listed on eBay and available for customers to buy for my 4th quarter time frame. But I wanted to give you an update. I haven't done that in a while. I love it. It's great. I have reclaimed a whole huge room in my house, and I'll try to include that video as well to kind of show you the space that I got to. It's about a 20-second video that I'll include of the space that I was able to regain in my own home simply by moving everything over here and having my own workspace. So it's made me much more efficient. I'm super excited about it, and thanks for keeping up with me and asking me how things are going. Things are going absolutely fabulous. Looking forward to 4th quarter and looking forward to hearing your guys' comments. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and put the comments below. And all of my links to my eBay store, Amazon store, hookedonpickin.com, my merch by Amazon t-shirt designs, which I've designed this t-shirt as well, and it's available for sale on my merch store. You can find all in the description below. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.